Are you making money right now? Like, genuinely, while we're talking? No? Then someone's lying to you. Every single day, ads promise daily profits. $100 a day, $500 a day. Some claim $1,000. But here's the thing nobody says out loud. If it were that easy, everyone would be rich. And they're not. So today we're doing something different. We're not going to tell you it's impossible. We're going to show you exactly what happens when you try versus when you don't. Two paths. Same person. Same $5,000 to invest. 10 years. Let's see where it goes. Path 1. The daily profit dream. It's January 1st, 2024. You're 25 years old. You have $5,000. You open a trading app. You see testimonials. Someone made $200 yesterday. Someone else pulled $150. Your brain lights up. You could do that. You could do that every single day. Month 1. You're excited. You're checking your phone 40 times a day. You find a strategy. Or you think you do. You watch YouTube videos from people who claim they trade for a living. You join Discord groups. Everyone's talking about wins. Nobody's talking about losses. Or they are, but they frame it as learning experiences. You make $340 in your first month. Sounds good, but you also paid $45 in trading fees. You made 3 emotional decisions that cost you $200. And you spent 120 hours staring at charts. That's 30 hours per week for a month, at a side job that made you $95 per hour after fees and losses. Your regular job makes you $22 per hour, but it doesn't feel like work. This feels like winning. Fast forward 6 months. You've had 2 really good months. You made $800 each. You've had 2 really bad months. You lost $1,200 each. You're up $340 total. But now you're stressed. You're checking markets at 3 a.m. You're thinking about trades during work. Your actual job performance is slipping. You're tapping into that $5,000 less and less for daily trading because you're losing confidence. And you're adding new money. You've put in another $3,000 trying to get back to even. Year 1 ends. You've invested $8,000 total. Your account is worth $7,400. You're down $600. You spent 1,500 hours on this. That's 29 hours per week, every single week. You've made negative money and lost an entire part-time job's worth of time. Now comes the dangerous part. Most people don't quit. They double down. They say, I just need to be better. Year 2, you add another $5,000. You're more aggressive. You use margin. You borrow money to make bigger trades. Month 3 of year 2, the market dips 8%. Your $13,000 account is now $9,200. You panic. You sell everything at a loss to stop the bleeding. You've now locked in a loss. Your $13,000 investment is worth $8,600. You're down $4,400. 10 years later, you've invested $35,000 total into daily trading. Your account is worth $18,000. You're down $17,000. You've spent approximately 12,000 hours on this. That's 3 full-time jobs. If you'd been working an extra part-time job at $15 per hour instead, you'd have made $180,000. But you didn't. You chased daily profits. And you have less money than you started with. Path 2. The boring truth. Same person. Same day. Same $5,000. But this time, you open Vanguard. You buy a total stock market index fund. VLO or VTI. You don't check it. Actually, you avoid checking it. You set a calendar reminder to add $500 every single month. That's it. You automate it and forget it. Month 1, nothing happens. Your $5,000 is still $5,000. Actually, it's $5,002 because dividends started accruing. Month 6, you check once because you're curious. Your account is $7,850. You made $2,850. But you also added $3,000 more. So the market made you $850 on $8,000. That's 10.6% annualized. That's boring. That's also normal. Year 1 ends. You've invested $11,000 total. Your account is worth $12,100. You made $1,100 on money that required 0 attention and 0 emotional decisions. You spent 0 hours on this. You literally made more money than Path 1 with 1,000th of the time. Year 3. Market crashed. Everyone's panicking. You don't care. You didn't check. You get a notification. Your account is down 12%. That sounds bad until you realize you also just added $18,000 total. So you're actually buying stocks on sale. You don't get scared because you're not checking daily. You're not emotionally attached to the daily price. Year 5. Your account is $52,000. You've contributed $30,000. The market and compound interest made you $22,000. You've spent 0 hours. You've made $22,000 for 0 effort. Year 10. Your account is $134,000. You've contributed $60,000. You've made $74,000 from investing plus compound interest. You've checked it maybe 5 times total. You've spent 3 hours managing this. You've made roughly $24,667 per hour. That's the difference. Same starting point, same amount of money. One path, $18,000 and lost a decade. The other path, $134,000 and forgot about it. Why your brain wants the daily profit lie. Your brain is wired for immediate feedback. When you make a trade and see it go up in 1 minute, your brain releases dopamine. That's real. That's powerful. It's the same dopamine hit a slot machine gives you. Daily trading is not investing. It's gambling with psychology designed to addict you. Index funds don't give you that hit. You don't check for weeks. Nothing happens. Your brain hates that. It's boring. Boring is the entire point. Boring wins. What to do instead? If you have money, here's the actual path. 1. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. 2. Buy an index fund. Total stock market. US 500. Doesn't matter which. They're all boring in the same way. 3. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $100. Even $50. Especially if you're young. 4. Delete the app from your phone. Seriously. 5. Check it once a year. That's it. If you want to trade daily, fine. Use 5% of your money. Call it entertainment. But 95% of your money goes into index funds. That's how real people build real wealth. Not by timing the market, by being in the market for time. The question isn't whether you can make $100 a day. Some days you can. The question is whether you can make $100 a day, every single day, for 10 years, while also beating the market average after taxes and fees. The answer is almost certainly no. And statistically, you'd be better off sleeping. So here's the real question. What's your biggest money mistake? Did you chase daily profits? Did you put money somewhere you shouldn't have? Or are you about to? Drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other.